In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detector on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Noyafa NF513 Metal Detector. The Noyafa NF513 is a versatile wall scanner designed for efficient detection of hidden metal and live wires in walls, ceilings, and floors, making it an essential tool for interior decoration and home installations. This durable device features a high-definition 2.4-inch color screen with a resolution of 240 by 320 and supports Type-C charging, powered by a 390 mAh polymer lithium battery. It can detect depths of up to 8 cm for both magnetic and non-magnetic metals, 5 cm for live AC wires, and 3.8 cm for wood. Weighing just 200 grams and measuring 63 by 25 by 139 mm, the NF513 also offers live voice broadcasting and a 5-minute automatic shutdown feature for convenience. Operating effectively in temperatures ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and with storage conditions between -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, this device is ideal for safe and accurate detection in various construction tasks. Number 2. MD1008A Handheld Metal Detector. The MD1008A underground metal detector is a lightweight, battery-powered device designed for easy operation and comfortable handling, featuring an ergonomic design and high sensitivity for effective metal detection. It is equipped with an LCD digital display and audio alerts that indicate the presence of metal, with a detection depth of up to 10 cm. The detector includes adjustable sensitivity and volume controls, making it suitable for locating coins, jewelry, and other metal objects. Its waterproof search coil allows for use in shallow water, making it a great tool for outdoor treasure hunting, particularly for children and beginners. The product is made from durable ABS plastic and operates on a 9V battery, not included. The package includes the metal detector and an instruction manual. Shipping typically takes 20 to 60 business days, with a return policy allowing for exchanges or refunds within 10 days if the item is not satisfactory. The seller emphasizes customer satisfaction and encourages positive feedback upon successful transactions. Number 3. BOSCH D-TECT 120 Metal Detector. The BOSCH D-TECT 120 is a multi-detector wall scanner designed for various detection tasks in electrical DIY projects, manufactured in mainland China. It features an LCD screen and operates on rechargeable power types, including an option for AA batteries, providing versatility for users. This scanner can identify materials such as metal, wood, live wires, and water pipes, adjusting its detection modes based on the surface being scanned, dry wall, general, or concrete, with detection depths reaching up to 16 cm. The device includes an indicator light system that alerts users to power status and proximity to detected substances, boasting an accuracy of plus or minus 10 mm, compact in size at 85 by 92 by 206 mm and weighing only 0.5 kg. The BOSCH D-TECT 120 is certified by both CE and FCC standards, making it a reliable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. Noyafa NF518 Metal Detector. The Noyafa NF518 is a versatile wall detection tool designed for use in various construction and home improvement projects. Originating from mainland China, this device is certified with CE and features a durable 2-color mold design. It boasts an array of functionalities, including the detection of metals such as rebars and copper pipes, live wires, and rib and slot positions in wooden walls. Equipped with a 2.4-inch high-definition color screen, the NF518 provides clear visual feedback alongside live voice broadcasts to enhance usability. The device operates on a rechargeable 390 mAh polymer lithium battery and employs Type-C charging for convenience. It can detect materials at varying depths, with up to 3.8 cm, live AC wires up to 5 cm, non-magnetic metals up to 10 cm, and magnetic metals up to 12 cm. With automatic shutdown after 5 minutes of inactivity and a wide operating temperature range, the NF518 is a reliable instrument for ensuring safety during installations and renovations. Number 5. Noyafa NF518S Metal Detector. The Noyafa NF518S is a versatile metal detector and laser measurement tool designed for DIY electrical applications. Originating from mainland China, this CE-certified device features a two-color mold construction, an LCD screen, and a rechargeable 390 mAh polymer lithium battery. The device boasts several functions, including wall detection for metals, AC wires, and wooden structures, with detection depths of up to 120 mm depending on the material. Additionally, it can perform laser measurements for length, area, and volume, offering various calculation options such as Pythagorean and trapezoidal measurements. The NF518S can store up to 50 records, making it useful for home installation and interior decoration projects. Safety precautions are highlighted, advising against intentional laser usage on reflective surfaces and in hazardous environments. The package includes one NF518S metal detector, emphasizing its utility and safety in construction tasks.